Hey there, For Life Philippines family! We're now right here at Gawad Kalinga in Dasmariñas, Cavite for another service activity of Foundation for Life here in the Philippines. And we have prepared grocery packages and school supplies para po sa mga For Life Village beneficiaries natin. For all you know, Foundation for Life aims to break the cycle of poverty by providing the needs of the children and its family across the globe.
Thank you so much, Foundation for Life and For Life Philippines, for giving us a chance na magkaroon ng ganitong klaseng activity and to share blessing to less fortunate children and family na magkaroon sila ng maganda na tahanan, and also ngayon, today, magkakaroon na rin ng chance na magkaroon ng kuryente or power yung kanilang mga houses. So more of these activities, and thank you so much sa Team Philippines, and also looking forward pa po sa mas marami tayong matulungan in the next few years. Thank you so much, Foundation for Life. Maraming salamat po.
Hi, we're back here at the For Life Gawad Kalinga Village after 7 months. If you remember, last December 2024, we turned over the 20 homes to 20 deserving families, and now we're back here to visit them, of course, to interact with them, and we're very grateful not only to Foundation for Life, but all of the affiliates around the world who made the donation to make the For Life Gawad Kalinga Village possible. Of course, we're back here because today we're celebrating the contribution and the donations of not only Foundation for Life but the Philippine For Life affiliates and leaders to in order for these houses para magkaroon sila ng kuryente, magkaroon ng liwanag ang kanilang bahay. And all of this would not be possible if not for the heart and the founder of Foundation for Life, the late Bianca Lizenby, and of course, our director for Foundation for Life, Miss Jenna Lizenby. Again, it's always such a joy to hear the stories and interact with these families, knowing that each of us contributed and assisted in transforming the lives, not only of the families, but for future generations to come. So again, thank you very much for being part of Foundation for Life.
Po sa labis po na kaligayahan po dahil kami po ay isang nabiyayaan sa For Life ng bahay. Hanggang ngayon po, di po kami makapaniwala na may maayos na po kaming tirahan. Thank you po, For Life. Napakalaking puso nyo po. Sana marami pa po kayong matulungan tulad namin na nangangailangan ng bahay. Thank you po.
Thank you, For Life.